Hello guys, welcome back to Comic Land Live. So we'll be showcasing the June manga list. So we'll be showcasing every manga that's here. So we'll be starting from Jujutsu Kaisen. You see we have Jujutsu Kaisen volume 3 right now with us. That volume 3 of Jujutsu Kaisen is in stock. We also have new volumes also with us of Yen Press. So this is the new ReZero manga that we have with us, volume 1. And we also have Konosuba Explosion Wonderful World, volume 1. It's a Yen Press exclusive title. We also have How to Raise a Boring Girlfriend. The people were asking very soon. बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे बहुत पहले से, तो उसका बोरिंग गर्लफ्रेंड का वॉल्यूम 1 है हमारे पास अभी. आप चाहिए तो हमारे साइट से बाई कर सकते हो. रिसेंटली आया ये सब टाइटल्स. सो कंटिन्यू करते कि हमारे पास नो गन्स नो लाइफ का 2 से लेके 7 तक का सारे वॉल्यूम्स है. 1 भी है, आ जाएगा, पर अभी के लिए हमारे पास 2 से लेके 7 तक का सारा वॉल्यूम्स है हमारे पास अवेलेबल. आप हमारे साइट से बाय कर सकते हो. ये है नो गन्स नो लाइफ. आपको अगर सिंगल वॉल्यूम्स देखना कैसे दिखते तो ये है वॉल्यूम 2, वॉल्यूम 3, वॉल्यूम 4, वॉल्यूम 5, वॉल्यूम 6 और वॉल्यूम 7. And these are all cost around 699 in our site. It's an Indian price. We also have this 2 volumes of it, and another also volume 1 also we have it. Let's continue. We have a lot to showcase here.
Radiant 9 to 13 बंडल में मिलेगा क्या?
मिलेगा.
में से कोई
है. हम पीछे का जो भी बैकएंड का पूरा स्टॉक है वो भी आपको शोकेस करेंगे. अभी जो टेबल पे है वो पहला शोकेस करेंगे हम आपको. हमारे पास ट्विन स्टार एग्जॉसिस्ट के भी वॉल्यूम्स हैं हमारे पास. है वॉल्यूम 8 और 9 है हमारे पास अभी ट्विन स्टार एग्जॉसिस्ट के. ये नया है जो बहुत टाइम से हम मंगा नहीं पाए थे क्योंकि हमको ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आया था इसके. फिर भी हमने दो वॉल्यूम्स मंगा के रखे इसके. वॉल्यूम 1 और 2 भी आप मंगा सकते हो, वो भी मिलेगा आपको. हमारे पास हाउस स्कूल ऑफ द डेड भी है. ट्विन स्टार एग्जॉसिस्ट का वॉल्यूम 1, वॉल्यूम 2 भी है हमारे पास. यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑर्डर दिस. हनी सो स्वीट का भी हमारे पास वॉल्यूम 8 है. Oh, this is a very big one. We have Good Night Pun Pun volume 4 and which volume is this? This is volume 5. We have volume 4 and 5 of Good Night Pun Pun with us.
Monster and 20th Century Boys किसी ने पूछा है.
हाँ, वो हमारे पास नहीं है अभी फिलहाल के लिए, पर जब आएगा हम ज़रूर बाय कर लेंगे आप लोग के लिए. अभी वह हमारे पास ये नया है जो विज मीडिया में अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च हुआ था, जोम 100 करके, बकेट लिस्ट ऑफ द डेड. ये भी एक अच्छा मांगा है, आप जरूर पढ़ना चाहिए इसको. ठीक है.
Someone is asking for DC and Marvel fresh stock. Yes. We'll do a separate video for DC and Marvel fresh stock.
Really soon. Currently it's a manga showcase, so we'll be doing DC and Marvel also as well. You have this gigantic volume of Paradise Kiss. It's a 20th century edition list. It's a very big one. It costs around 2000. It's a very big one, you know. Oh, we have a really good hard copy of Wildlands Saga, volume 1 with us. Oh, it's really good. You can see the art. It's really good.
Someone is asking, are these mangas original? Yes, they are. Original and in mint condition.
Yes. We have Wall Trigger volume 1 and volume 2 as well. It's $4.99. We have Spy X Family volume 2 and 3 also in stock. It's not out of stock yet. You can buy it right now as well.
Kostub is asking Jujutsu Kaisen or Haikyuu.
Which volumes are you asking, Kostub? We have Parasite also with us, volume 1.
Sambit is asking Spy Family volume 1.
It will be back in stock really soon. We have a light novel of Journey of Elena as well.
Costume, Jujutsu Kaisen Volume 1. Costume, you can DM us for that.
You can DM us so that we'll answer you in that. Satoshi Kon's Ops, we have 4 copies of it. You can buy this also. It's an exclusive Satoshi Kon's works. And we have the here.
Berserk, someone is asking Berserk Deluxe. I guess we have only Volume 5. Sold out on all of them.
We have this gigantic collection of Radiant from 1 to 13. Recently we also were selling for like 15% off. You can buy it from us also, or single volumes depending on your order. You have to see, if you want to check it out, you can showcase each volume as well. Volume 1, the volume 2, volume.
Opus price, someone is asking.
Opus price.
क्या है?
Wait a sec. 1599.
Demon Slayer Volume 1, yes, it's available.
It's available. Volume 4.
9 to 13 मिलेगा off में, someone is asking. Wrong boy, just DM us, we'll help you with that.
Volume 6. Volume 7. Volume 8. Volume 9.
Domestic girlfriend भी a lot of people are asking.
Volume 10. Volume 11. Volume 12. And this is volume 13. These are all 13 volumes of Radiant that is available with us. You can buy it right now. Domestic
Tropical fish कभी पूछ रहे. Tropical fish we have. Latest वाला है.
लेटेस्ट वाला है हमारे पास. आप हमारे साइट में चेक कर सकते हो कि वो अवेलेबल भी है. ये हमारे पास बहुत टाइम से पड़ा है. GTO का वॉल्यूम 1 से लेके 11 से लेके 15 तक का सारा वॉल्यूम्स है. पुराने वॉल्यूम्स नहीं, वॉल्यूम 1 से लेके 11 से लेके 15 तक है. ये 11 है GTO का, 12 है, 13, 14 और 15. और ये बहुत हैवी है और बहुत हार्ड कॉपी भी. हार्ड कॉपी है, ड्रिफ्टिंग क्लासरूम नाम है इसका. बहुत मस्त है ये. विद सिग्नेचर, बड़ा जाइगेंटिक है. हार्ड
Wrong
कवर.
boy is asking GTO Omnibus, right? Yes, Omnibus.
Yes, it's an omnibus. It's cost around 2599. So these are all the showcase we had to do.
Sunny is asking drifting classroom का price कितना है? 2599.
Yes, 2599. So these were all the new mangas that we are available in with us right now. So if we can go here, come here, and we'll show you the inventory that we have right now currently with us. So we have Haikyuu from 2 to 4. We have also blue. We have Haikyuu volume 4 and 6 as well. Kiss-Sama Kiss volume 4, 5 and 6 as well. Blue Exorcist 2, 3, 16 as well. And this is 3 in 1 of Bleach volume 7 to 8. This
9 भी है, 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9 भी है हमारे पास. और क्या है हमारे पास? हाईक्यू के भी बहुत सारे वॉल्यूम्स हैं अभी भी अवेलेबल. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप बाई कर सकते हो.
Someone was asking for Nisekoi.
वो 7
Nisekoi here.
निसेकोई का 1, 7, 16 है हमारे पास अभी अवेलेबल.
And someone was asking for Black Torch also.
Black
Currently
Torch.
we have 4 and 5 only.
1 also we have,
And volume 1.
and also volume 1. So the Dragon Ball volume 1 and 2.
And Doctor Stone, please. Someone is asking.
Doctor Stone. So here is all the Doctor Stone you need. 4, 5, 6, 7, not 8, but 9, 11, 14, and 4.
Achha, someone is asking DC stocks, please.
We'll showcase DC stock as well on next video. We also have Bleach from 1 to 5 and 55 as well. Black Clover 8 and 23.
Hell's Paradise, someone wants box set. Yes, we have run out of stock for Hell's Paradise currently.
Here is the Demon Slayer stock. You can see shoot yourself how much stock we have. This is an Assassination Classroom stock.
Boruto, someone is asking about Boruto.
Here is the Boruto stock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 8 and 9. We have till 9 with us. These are the Demon Slayer stock, and here the Assassination Classroom, the whole stock. Demon Slayer, the Slam Dunk stock as well. If you are interested in Slam Dunk,
One Punch Man Volume 2 this month.
these are the whole Slam Dunk stock from here till here. Here's the Picasso Volume 1, Hunter x Hunter Volume 4, Todoroki Volume 1, 2 and 3, and also Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards game. Also we have 1, 2, 3 in 1, 3 volumes of it. So we'll continue go down here. We have the Shortcake Volume 1, 2 and 9, Daytime Shooting Star 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9.
Slam Dunk Volume 3. Slam Dunk Volume 3 we don't have currently.
We also have Garden of Words. It's a Makoto Shinkai title you can buy from us. So we also have a.
Someone is saying, Shahid, your hairstyle is a reference to Eren.
Thank you. We also have,
Volume 8 Rahul this month.
We also have the Dissolving Classroom of made by Ito Junji, the famous horror mangaka. We also have the Food Wars, the
Death Note box set. Yeah, Death Note box set next week.
next week soon. We have whole Food Wars from 1 to 31 with some volumes missing with us. Blame manga. We have Blame this one. It's a movie based. Actually, it's a movie based. If I'm not wrong. See, we have this.
This is a light novel. Okay.
It's a manga. And it costs around 850 rupees. You can see it. 850. That's done. We also have Dragon Ball Super from 1 to 10 with us. Weathering with You Volume 2 and Volume 1 with us. So come here, down here.
Fairy Tail. Yeah, we'll DM us. We'll send you pictures for Fairy Tail. We don't have it right now. Morality the Patriot.
Yep, we are getting it. We are getting the. Those who are asking that we have
Weathering with You, nice.
the Fangirl. It's an original manga.
Chainsaw Man. People are asking about Chainsaw Man. We'll get back to you for Chainsaw Man.
Yeah. Real Volume 5 and 4.
One Punch Man Volume 22. Currently we have One Punch Man till
21. We have 1, 2, 3, 9, 14, 15, 19, 20 right here. JoJo's we have JoJo's right now. Wait, let me check.
Solo Leveling.
We have JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 1, 2 and Part 3 Volume 1 and Diamond is Unbreakable Volume 7. Fire Punch we have Volume 5, 7 and 9. Orange Omnibus Volume 1 with us, the triple complete connection. Good Night Gunpun we have showcased it.
Someone is asking any good manga recommendation.
You can go with shonen mangas right now, like Jujutsu Kaisen is a very good example for it.
But he wants one shot.
One shot mangas. You need one shot mangas. Let me think.
One Punch Man 2 Ali will be available this month. Jujutsu Kaisen, except for volume 3, everything is sold out. So this is only volume 3 that
Yes, we only have volume 3 right now with us. Love Me Not 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yuna of the Dawn 19, 20, 21, 25 and 26. We have till 26 with us. Here is Golden Kamuy volume 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have till 16 with us. We also have Snow White without red hair, volume 1.
Chainsaw Man, volume 1.
Opus, Satoshi Kon's Opus. Paradise Kiss volume 3 and 2 and 3. Skip Bits 3 in 1, volume 1. Behind the Scenes volume 1 and 2. Ultra Maniac 4 and 5. Seventh Garden.
Kaustubh this month for sure.
A Devil and Her Love Story volume 10. These are all the Kaguya-sama Love is War stock right now with us. Let me just go from start to end for better view. We have volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 16, 17 with us. We also have Spikes 5
centimeters.
5 centimeter per second Omnibus with us. It's a one shot manga. You can buy this. It's a one shot manga. Whoever was asking one shot manga, this is a one shot manga you can read. 5 centimeter per second.
Jujutsu Kaisen volume 3, yes, you can place your orders
Right now. So if you come down here, we have here the whole One Piece stock with us. We have the latest current volume 95 with us. 96 is coming. 96 is coming soon. We have the A Story volume 1 and 2 also. These are all the 3-in-1 of One Piece. 3-in-1. You can buy this also. You can check our site. We have listed every thing available here in our site. Okay. So we also said we have a very special announcement to make. So the special announcement is that Chainsaw Man volume 1 is back in stock. You all been waiting for 3 months, we know that, but it's back in stock and you can place your orders tomorrow. This is the special announcement we had to make for you guys. Tomorrow at 1 PM you can order Chainsaw Man volume 1. We have limited copies, so place your order fast as possible. Maybe you miss it.
Chainsaw Man cost
$4.99. It's a shonen manga. You can see right here the price. If you have any Q&A, you can ask us right now.
2, 3 and 4 be available.
It's coming. 2, 3 and 4 are coming soon.
Someone wants Odayan. Odayan is completely out of print. And we've been searching for Odayan. Odayan, please. Silent Voice box set next month.
Next month, for sure.
For Tropical Fish, just get DM us. We'll get back to you. Same with Quintessential Quintuplets also.
Next month.
Next month.
If you are asking any Kodansha title next month.
Uzumaki is out of stock. Can you show tropical fish? Sunny, just DM us. We'll show you all the tropical fish titles we have.
Yeah, actually shown it Tokubal fish yarns for show also.
Physical store. Boruto 10 and 11 not yet released.
10 we have. 10 and 11. No, we have only till 10 and 11 is coming.
Silent Voice box set, we don't have it right now currently.
Next month.
Horimiya manga. And Ancient Magus Bride someone wants. Ancient Magus Bride we already have.
The Silver Yarn. It's a light novel of Ancient Magnus Bride.
Horimiya, people are asking about.
Horimiya is a Yen Press title, so currently we don't have any way to get Yen Press titles currently. So you can expect Horimiya from a different source, but it will cost you more. We'll be bringing Horimiya if possible from US. It will cost more rather than from the Indian price. It will be differ like this also. You have seen it.
Someone is saying you guys are doing a great job.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Really appreciate your efforts for writing that comment.
Did you get a license with Kodansha?
Not yet. So this is an example. Here is an example of Yen Press title. It's an Yen Press title which costs around $15. So we have to sell it for $15 or more because we brought it from US and we had to pay the customs and everything. So it will cost you more depending on the volume. Each volume have different prices. Each small volume will have small different $12, $9 or $10. Depending on that, we'll be pricing our mangas regarding that. So Horimiya, you have to wait for it because it's not in print right now. It's currently out of print. We haven't seen the stock yet. We have always checking the Horimiya mangas because we have a lot of requests regarding that. Anything else you can ask right now?
Someone is asking, sir, you have checked with the delivery site about Demon Slayer Volume 1.
Yes.
Demon Slayer Volume 1 is available.
Yes.
It might have gone out of stock. We'll put it back into stock.
Yeah.
One Piece 92. Do you guys have any light novels?
Yeah, this is a light novel. This is a light novel of a
Berserk Deluxe Edition, completely sold out.
completely sold out. This is also a light.
Someone is asking why so much delivery charge. Except for cash on delivery, there is no charge as such for shipping because cash on delivery we have to pay the courier companies for that. So that's the reason. IQ Volume 42 this month.
So those who are asking for light novels, we have currently light novels of.
Yes, tomorrow Chainsaw Man will be live on the website at
1 p.m.
Any DC Omnis in stock? Okay, so for people asking about
Light novels. The Toradora Volume 10 light novel. Ancient Magnus Bride Silver Yarn light novel. Ray Zero light novel Volume 9. Ray Zero Volume 10 light novel. These are all US priced for just an assurance. These are all US price based, not Indian price.
someone is asking about DC Omnibus. And DC Omnibus, just a second, we'll show you the DC Omnibus for people, everyone asking us about the DC Omni. 1 second. So these are some of the DC Omnis that we have with us. So
The Invisibles, Deadman Omnibus, Batman the Arkham Saga Omnibus.
then these are some of the other DC Omnis that we have. 100 Bullets, Batman Superman Omnibus. Yeah, so these are currently the DC Omnis that we have with us.
This is the biggest omnibus we have with us. It's goddamn heavy. So that's all. That's all for this live video.
Sambit is asking Leech 1, 2, and 3 available. Yes, it's
Yes,
available.
it's available. 1 to 5, it's available. So we are ending our live session. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you see you next time. Bye bye.